G. Balekundri Institute of Technology, Belgaum. I am here to present a role play on optimal page replacement.
So let us see that what is optimal page replacement. It is a theoretical strategy that selects pages for replacement based on future usage to minimize page faults.
So in this role play, there are totally 11 pages, 16 page requests and 3 frames. So now let's go through the role play.
So the first request is for page number 1. As the 3 frames are empty, I will be allocated in the frame 1.
The second request is for page number 2. As frame 2 and 3 are empty, I will be allocated in frame number 2.
The third request for page number 3. As the frame 3 is empty, I will be allocated in frame 3.
So the next request again is for page number 1. As I am already allocated, it is called a page hit.
Next request is for page number 8. As I am least used, so I will be allocated in frame 2.
The next request is for page number 5.
As I am least used,
I will be allocated in frame 3.
So the next request is for page number 9.
I am least used.
So I will be allocated in frame number 2.
The next request is for page number 5. As I am already allocated in frame 3, so it's a page hit.
The next request is for page number 11.
As I am least used,
So I will be allocated in frame 3.
The next request is for page number 4.
As I am least used.
I will be allocated in frame 2.
Next request is for page number 7.
As I am least used,
I am allocated in frame 3.
The next request is for page number 6.
As I am least used.
I will be located in the frame 2.
So the next request is for page number 1. As I am already allocated in frame 1, it is called a page hit.
the next request is for page number 10.
As I am least used.
So I will be allocated in frame 1.
The next request is for page number 8. As I am least used, so I will be allocated in frame 3.
the next request for page number 3.
As I am least used,
I will be allocated